Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Baseus 65 watts charger, and now I can show you that this charger is good alternative for your iPhone. So as you can see, here we have Baseus Gan Pro, and now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you that this charger has the Apple certificates inside. So let's connect Baseus charger to the checker instrument. Let's open the certificate detection tool, and cool. So as you can see here, we have all certificates we need for any device. Maybe not for any, but for a really big amount of devices. And what about Apple devices? So as you can see here, we have PD. This is the first item. PD is the power delivery. Here we have power delivery 3.0. We need to have power delivery 2.0 for new Apple devices, for Apple iPhone 8 and newest, so 8, X, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 now. So we need to have power delivery 2.0. Here we have newest, and if we have newest power delivery, it means that it will fit for older devices with older power delivery certificates too. And here we have Apple 5 volts and 2.4 amperes, and it means that this charger will charge old Apple devices too, like old iPads, old iPhones, so oldest than iPhone 8, so 7, 6, 5, 4 and older. And it means that this charger is very good for any iPhone, and this device will be very good for MacBooks too, because here we have the max electricity power 65 watts, and it means that it will fit for any MacBook too, because maybe not for any. If you have MacBook Pro that can use 100 watts, so unfortunately this charger will not good for you, but for any MacBook Air using only 30 watts, newest MacBook Air using 60 watts, and MacBook Pro without the graphical card using 60 watts too, and with graphical card too, of course, but on Apple Silicon series processors, all MacBooks Pro using 60 watts, and this charger has 65 seconds. So, as you can see, this charger is a very good alternative for any Apple charger. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.